Are you looking for a reliable and efficient business VoIP phone system for your company in the UK? Look no further. Our cloud-based solution offers the best-in-class features, including crystal-clear call quality, easy scalability, and cost-effective pricing. With round-the-clock customer support and seamless integration with popular applications, we are the top choice for businesses of all sizes. Choose us as your trusted partner to elevate your communication strategy and take your business to new heights. Meet John. He runs a successful small business with 5 employees, but their current phone system is letting them down. Our customer support is always on standby, ready to help you out whenever you need them. Moreover, our system brilliantly integrates with popular applications for your convenience. Now picture your friend John. He has a thriving small-scale business with 5 workers. However, their present phone system isn't serving them well. But introduce our cloud-based VoIP solution to that equation, and everything changes. Not only do you get seamless integration with your HubSpot CRM, but each user gets to enjoy call recording features. Our system, user-friendly to the core, even operates smoothly with your preferred desk phone models and cordless phone models too. Unlimited calls to UK mobile and landline numbers, no hidden expenses, no boundaries. Doesn't that sound great? Rest assured, security is a big deal for us and you. Our VoIP service offers stalwart features like data encryption to guard against any unwelcome breaches. Our phone system evolves when your business evolves. Add more users and features as your business flourishes and expands. Help is always reachable with our dependable and proactive customer support staff. Trouble is just a phone call away from resolution. We are humbly honored to be compared to cloud-based VoIP giants like BT, RingCentral, Microsoft Teams, Zoom Phone, Google Voice, and Nextiva. Delay no more, elevate your business communication today. Let us accompany you on this journey. Tell us your budget, schedule a demo, and check out our reviews. We absolutely believe you'll love our cloud-based VoIP system. Reach out to us now to learn more.